And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about making your own patterns for collages. So instead of going to the art store, going into the craft aisle and buying those books on patterns and paintings, and all your work looks just like everybody else's, I didn't want to do that. So I make my own patterns. Here they are. Black and white patterns. Look how cool this is. Whoa! I Xerox it. Different sizes. I make my own stripes. I make my own checkerboards. Things like this. Here's another collage I make. And then I'm going to Xerox it different sizes. Nice to have choices. This way I have ownership. I make my own squiggles. Make them different sizes. Now I own this pattern and it won't look like everybody else's. Just to let you know, different sizes, including even black tissue paper. These are the collage things that I use in my abstract paintings. Let me show you some more. Why make your own collage paper? Well, you have ownership, and besides, it's a whole lot more fun to paint and use paper. This is kind of the stuff that I like to do. It adds another level to the excitement and discovery of painting, and certainly unpredictable results, right? So I like to do it on large canvases, tearing the paper, gluing it down, painting on top of it. Sometimes I just do simple little things, just little design, color and design with patterns and color, using my color wheel. This is right out of my color wheel. Here's another one, mostly red, a little bit of patterns, tearing the paper, gluing it down, just to add some visual excitement. Besides, it makes it exciting for me to be in the studio too. More things to play with, right? Then they get pretty deep. You can put paint on top of it. And when you wipe it away, you start to see this latent image, kind of a ghost image of some of the patterns. So it's not so much pattern in your face, so to speak. So I like to use it as a depth in my painting. Here's some more. Black and white and very little color, but look at all the different textures. It makes it more joyful and fun, for me anyway, all right? And over here, then I start adding it into where I do my figures. This is the diptych. I'm working on this as a diptych, pulling the patterns together, back and forth. It holds the whole painting together. Here's one of my abstract landscapes. This gets to be way too much fun, right? Patterns, drawing on top of it, scraping into it. All kinds of things can happen now. It's not just pure painting. This is really playful. This is me in my sandbox having a great time. But now, let me actually do one for you. Hey, this is me in my sandbox in the studio. And you know, the sandbox is a place to go play. Here we go. What I'm using, of course, is lots of water. My glue happens to be gel medium. Anybody's gel medium. It's the perfect glue for my papers. Here are all my collage papers, already Xeroxed, ready to go. Not well organized, but it's, oh my gosh, I can't wait. I even have this tissue paper ready to go. I have my 300-pound watercolor paper. There you go, ready to go. I have my drawing pencils. I have my transparent paints. Make sure they're transparent. This happens to be Holbein, Marigold, and of course they're opera. This is my extra brush and my paper towels. I'm ready to go. Here we go. Pure glue first. This is what I do, first of all. I put glue over everything. 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 All over the place. I don't tear up little pieces of paper and glue them down like a mosaic. It takes too much time for me. I'm too excited in the studio to play in my own sandbox. All right? So now I have all the glue down, all the gel medium. Now I can kind of almost do like action painting. Glue it down. There you are. Now I put glue on top of it, getting rid of all those bubbles. I hear so many people say, I get too many bubbles. Use more glue. This is me just putting stuff down. I don't really have an idea yet. It'll come. It'll come a little bit later on. Mostly I just wanted to show you all how I work. Always putting glue on top of it. Doesn't always have to be patterns. I like the tearing part, so it's unpredictable. Whoa, look at that. Crazy, right? Ask me if I'm having fun. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, this is just briefly what I would do at the beginning. And the next step is, heck, we're supposed to let it dry. Well, it's pure acrylic. I don't let it dry. I go right for it. There's the transparent acrylic. There's some more transparent. Lots of water on my brush. Here we go. Woo! Oh. So the transparent paint, you get to still see the patterns, right? This is a combination of painting, patterns. Whew. Look at that. No more glue, just more patterns, painting. What a great way to get started. Now, the drawing, I can either scrape into the painting like this. Whoa, see? Now you reveal what's underneath it, or you can actually take my drawing pencils. There's so many things you could do. So many possibilities. With the paper towels, you can start even wiping away. Whew, look at this. What a great patina. This is pure play. Pure play. And that's how I get to do all of these. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please pass it on to your friends. Take care. I'll see you at the next BobBlast.